So, you're looking to plan your first business loan and use a business credit app to make the process smoother, but you're not sure where to start? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, and explain why this can set you up for long-term success. And here's the kicker. Unlike most other videos, I'm not getting any affiliate commissions from the apps I recommend. This is real talk, no hidden incentives. Now, I know a lot of people are hesitant about business credit apps. Maybe you've heard stories of complicated processes or high fees that make you think twice. But what if I told you that with the right tools, you can avoid all of that and even increase your chances of getting approved for your first loan? Let's dive right into how to use a business credit app to plan your loan. But before you dismiss this as just another app, there's something crucial about the timing that you won't want to miss. First, you need to understand why using a business credit app is essential for any serious entrepreneur. It's not just about getting access to your credit score. It's about giving you a comprehensive view of your financial health, which is exactly what lenders are looking for. When you're applying for a loan, you need to show a clear and accurate picture of your business's financial situation, and business credit apps let you do this in minutes. For the second reason, business credit apps help you track spending and identify areas for improvement. The better you manage your expenses, the better your credit score will look when the time comes to apply for that loan. These apps aren't just for tracking your credit score, they also allow you to forecast your business's growth, helping you decide how much you can actually afford to borrow. Now, let's talk about how to maximize the effectiveness of these apps. It's easy to fall into the trap of relying solely on credit score, but that's not the full picture. You need to monitor other metrics, like your debt-to-income ratio, which a good credit app will break down for you. If you're new to business loans, this is crucial. Lenders want to see that you can manage your debt responsibly, and the more you understand your financials, the more likely you are to qualify. But wait, here's where things get interesting. Most business owners don't know this, but some credit apps also offer insight into specific loan opportunities tailored to your business's financial profile. This means that if you're using the right app, you could potentially discover loan options that you wouldn't find by just blindly applying through traditional methods. Don't sleep on this feature. It's a game changer for planning your first loan. All right, I've saved the most important tip for last. Once you've gotten your financials in order, you need to actually know how much you can borrow without putting your business at risk. This is where your business credit app becomes more than just a tool. It's your financial strategist. Some apps will give you a loan eligibility estimate based on your current financial standing, helping you avoid borrowing too much or too little. This can save you a lot of stress when it's time to finalize the loan details. So, let me ask you this. How are you planning to use a business credit app to make your loan journey easier? Drop your thoughts below, because I'd love to know. If you got value from this video and want more content like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm here to deliver the best, no hype, no affiliate commission advice to help you grow your business the right way.